A ban on Ibotta usually happens after an automated fraud flag, not a manual decision from a person reviewing your account in real time. By the end, you'll know what causes an Ibotta ban, how to submit an appeal that actually gets reviewed, and what mistakes make recovery almost impossible. First, a ban means your account access and earnings are fully restricted. You won't be able to redeem rewards, submit receipts, or earn cashback while the restriction is active. This is different from a login issue or app crash because it is tied to account eligibility, not the app itself. The most common triggers are repeated receipt issues, mismatched account information, or activity that looks automated. Even normal users get flagged when patterns don't match what the system expects, so a ban doesn't automatically mean intentional wrongdoing. Now the appeal process. Start inside the app, or the official help center, and look for the account deactivation or ban support form. You need to submit one clear request tied to your registered email. Keep the message short and structured. Include your account email, the date you noticed the ban, and a simple explanation of your recent activity before it happened. Do not send multiple tickets. That slows down review priority because duplicate requests are often merged or ignored by the system. Next, focus on accuracy in your explanation. If you submitted receipts, mention the store names and that they were physical purchases tied to your account. If you recently changed devices or locations, include that too, because those changes can sometimes trigger verification checks. The review team is mainly looking for consistency between your activity and their policy rules, not emotional explanations. Clear facts matter more than long messages. After submitting, the only step left is waiting for review. There is no manual override or instant unlock option. Sending repeated appeals, or creating a new account, can make recovery harder because it increases suspicion signals in the system. If your appeal is accepted, access is restored, and earnings usually return to normal. If it is denied, the account is typically considered final under their policy. To sum it up, an Ibotta ban is usually automated, not personal. A clean, single appeal, with clear account details, gives you the best chance of review. And avoiding duplicate tickets is critical if you want a faster response. If you're dealing with a ban right now, submit one structured appeal through the help center, and then wait for their reply instead of trying multiple fixes at once. For more simple breakdowns of app issues like this, subscribe for future guides.